Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant B5 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so you've got a damaged caster wheel and you got to replace it. Super simple again. Go ahead and lift up the back of your machine and then block it too. Take a 3/4 inch open end, put it on the bottom side underneath the caster wheel, and then there is a 3/4 inch lock nut on the top side. You just need to take that off. Just like that, and your caster wheel will drop right out of there. Now just reverse your steps to replace it. Put it back up into the machine. Replace your washer and your 3/4 inch lock nut. And tighten the nut back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.